My dear students and parents, my educational videos are available in the YouTube to the students 10th Cbse, plus 1 Cbse, plus 2 Cbse, NEET and IIT students in the subjects Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Zoology and Botany in English language. Today we are going to find the composition of functions in the chapter Relations and Functions. Let F 2, 3, 4, 5 and another set, that is it is related to another set 3, 4, 5, 9 and another function G. In this function G, the set 3, 4, 5, 9 is related to 7, 11, 15. B functions defined as f of 2 equal to 3, f of 3 equal to 4, f of 4 equal to 5, f of 5 equal to 5 and g of 3 equal to 7, g of 4 equal to 7, g of 5 equal to 11, g of 9 equal to 11. Find g of f. From this sum, we understand that there are two functions. One function is f and another function is g. In the function f, two sets are related. That is, the set 2, 3, 4, 5 is related to the set 3, 4, 5, 9. Similarly, in the function g also there are two sets. That is, the set 3, 4, 5, 9 is related to the set 7, 11, 15. How can we find g of f, that is composition of functions? We can say many examples to the composition of functions. That is, in an examination hall, every student is allotted a roll number. To deface that roll number, a secret code number is allotted to every roll number, so that every student is getting the secret code number. We can also say one more example. That is, you are having a friend B. B is having a friend C. Automatically, you will become the friend of C. You are well known the meaning of f of x. F of x means the function of x. What is the function of x? The function of x is to find the y. You have studied in the differential calculus sums. Sometimes they will give the equation relating the two variables x and y as y equal to 3x square plus 4x minus 5. Sometimes they will not give us y equal to 3x square plus 4x minus 5. They will give us f of x equal to 3x square plus 4x minus 5. So, in the place of y, they have given f of x. So, f of x is nothing but y. In an added pair, there are two elements. One is x, another is y. The X is the first element of the ordered pair, Y is the second element of the ordered pair. In the ordered pair, the first element X is related to the second element Y. Here the X is given as 2, 3, 4, 5. Four values of X have been given. First of all, the functions of F and G are converted into the ordered pair. Then the ordered pairs are converted into arrow diagram. Why the given functions are converted into ordered pairs, and then the ordered pairs are converted into arrow diagram in order to solve the sum easily. Let us see by this example. That is, these two represents the X. The f of 2 given represents the Y. So that X is 2, Y is 3. So we are writing the ordered pair 2, 3. 2 is X, 3 is Y. 2 is the first element of the ordered pair, 3 is the second element of the ordered pair. Then coming to f of 3. 3 is the X, the function of 3 equal to 4. That is, the ordered pair is 3, 4. Then coming to f of 4, the f of 4 equal to 5. So that we are writing the ordered pair as 4, 5. Then coming to f of 5 equal to 5. This 5 is the function of 5. That is, X is 5 and f of X is 5. Then the ordered pair is 5, 5. Similarly, we can write to the function G also. In the ordered pair of function F, the first element 2 is imagined as sun and the second element 3 is imagined as father. In the case of the second ordered pair 3, 4, the son 3 is having the father 4. Likewise, in the ordered pair 4, 5, the son 4 is having the father 5. And in the ordered pair 5, 5, the son 5 is having the father 5. If the relation is expressed visually, it is called arrow diagram. So we are going to write the arrow diagram. How can we write the arrow diagram? If we write the all first elements in the ordered pair as a set, we will get the set domain. The first element of the ordered pairs are written as a set. That is 2, 3, 4 and 5. Similarly, if we write the all second elements of the ordered pair as a set, we will get the set codomain. What are the second elements of the function F? That is 3, 4, 5, 9. Then we are knowing that the elements of the domain are called as pre-images and the elements of codomain are called as images. We have already seen in my previous videos. We are going to imagine the set domain as sun's set. We are going to imagine the set codomain as the set of fathers. And Another set is also written, that is the father's father set. In our case, the son 2 is having the father 3. The son 3 is having the father 4. The son 4 is having the father 5. And the son 5 is having the father 5. Then we are going to relate the father's set and the father's father set. In this case, the set codomain will become as domain, and this father's father set, that is grandfather of son, will become as codomain. The father 3 is having his father as 7, and the father 4 is having the same father 7. The father 5 is having the father's father 11. The father 9 is also having the same father 11. Related to 3, and then 3 is related to 7. Thereby we are getting the grandfather of son 2. The son 3 is related to the father 4, and the father is related to his father 7. Thereby the son 3 is getting the grandfather as 7. Likewise, the son 4 is having the father 5, and the father is having his father as 11, so that the son 4 is getting the grandfather as 11. Lastly, the son 5 is having the father 5, and the father 5 is having his father as 11, so that the son 5 is getting the grandfather as 11. We can also explain this as G of F. Finding G of F of 2. It means that G of F of 2. First of all, we have to find the F of 2. That is the function F. In the function F, the F of 2 is given as 3. So we can write F of 2 as 3. Then we have to find the function G. The function G of 3. G of 3 equal to 7, so that we can write 7. Now we are going to write G of F of 3. First of all, we have to find the F of 3, as we have already told. What is F of 3? The F of 3 is given as 4. So can we substitute 4 in the place of F of 3? Yes, we can substitute 4 in the place of F of 3. Then we will get G of 4. In the sum, G of 4 is given as 7. So we can substitute 7 to the G of 4. So first we are finding the function F. Then after finding the function F, to each element we are finding the function G. Then coming to the fourth element, that is 4. G of 4. It means that G of F of 4. What is F of 4? The F of 4 is 5. So we can write 5 in the place of F of 4. If we write 5 in the place of F of 4, we will get G of 5. What is G of 5? G of 5 is nothing but 11. So we can write G of 5 as 11. Coming to the last element 5. G of 5. It means that G of f of 5. What is f of 5? F of 5 equal to 5. So if we substitute 5 in the place of f of 5, we will get G of 5. What is G of 5? G of 5 is 11. So that we are writing as 11. From this, we understand that the sun 2 is getting the grandfather as 7. That is, the son 3 is getting the grandfather 7. That is same grandfather 7. The son 4 has grandfather 11. For understanding purposes, we have imagined as son, father and grandfather. Strictly speaking, each element of the domain, that is pre-images, are related to the images of the codomain. Then the images of the codomain, in this case the codomain becomes as domain. All pre-images of this set are related to the set 7, 11, 15. This is the meaning of this sum. It means that the pre-image 2 is having the image 3 and this pre-image 3 is having the image 7, so that the pre-image 2 is getting the image 7. The pre-image 4 has the image 5 and the pre-image 5 is having the image 11, so that the pre-image 4 is getting the image 11. The pre-image 5 has the image 5 and the pre-image 5 has the image 11, so that the pre-image 5 is getting the pre-image 11. My dear students, if this video is really beneficial to you, you can share with your classmates and friends. You can also subscribe my channel.